Hi, my name is Nayaab and I'm from Department of Culinary Arts, second year from MRII. Food is my artistic expression. As much as I like to eat, I like to create dishes and whip up the cuisines. It's the smile that you receive when you present your dish to someone. But also, I get to explore different cultures through their food and make myself feel like I've transported to a new world.
During my time here, I've had the extraordinary opportunity to engage with numerous renowned chefs such as Chef Savi and Chef 𝐾𝐫𝐞𝐻 and gain deep insights into their unique culinary styles. Such experiences have enriched my understanding of the industry.
Just like me, with Manav Rachna, you can cook up your dreams and serve them on your life's platter.